Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Astragalus root. Astragalus, also known as huangcai, is a powerful herb with a long history in traditional Chinese medicine. It's considered an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body manage stress. The root contains beneficial compounds like polysaccharides and astragalosides, which are key to its health-supporting properties. Understanding these basics is your first step to incorporating Astragalus into your wellness routine. Astragalus comes in several convenient forms. You can find it as capsules, liquid extracts, or powders, which are easy to add to smoothies. The dried root is also popular for making teas or simmering in soups. While a typical daily dose is often between 9 and 30 grams of the raw herb or 2 to 4 milliliters of liquid extract, it's always best to speak with a healthcare professional for advice tailored to your individual needs. Hey everyone, just a quick pause. If you're enjoying this guide on Astragalus root and finding it useful, please take a moment to subscribe and give this video a like. And on another note, just like you invest in your health, invest in your comfort. Life's too short for cheap socks. I highly recommend Darn Tough socks for their incredible quality and lifetime warranty. You can find the link to them and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Astragalus offers several potential health benefits. It's most recognized for strengthening the immune system and reducing inflammation. Some studies also suggest it can improve heart health, help manage blood sugar, and even alleviate allergy symptoms. However, it's crucial to be aware of precautions. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have an autoimmune condition, you should avoid it. Always consult your doctor about potential interactions with other medications.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.